Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the font size in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the contacts list. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, then on appearance, and here at the bottom we find the slider with font size. If we slide it to the right, the font size is going to increase, as you can see, like this, so it's easier to read. And if we move it to the left, the font size is going to decrease, like so. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.